What up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today on Fitness Tech Reviews, we're going to be going over Amazon's new foray right into the fitness industry with the Amazon Halo. This is something that just got announced, but let's go ahead and get into that overview. First thing we're going to do is take a look at that Halo. As you can tell, there is no screen, so it's going to be very similar to the Whoop band that I did a review on the channel a little while back. Check the link right up there if you want to check out that. So it's going to be a little different than your typical smartwatch. It's going to be coming in 3 different colors. It's black with an onyx sensor. There's also blush with a rose gold sensor. Then there's also white with a silver sensor. And if you do get it, you can, of course, take out those bands and switch them out with whatever you like, but of course the sensor will always remain the same color. So going into the design, like I said, there is no screen and it is a little bit more flat. So it's a little bit better that if you have even a regular watch, it's not going to look as bulky as if you have 2 different things on your wrist that I typically do from day in and day out with my Whoop and my Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. So apparently Amazon has been doing years of research for this Halo. Going to have a microphone in there that's going to help with some other things. I'll check a little bit later into the video. There's going to be an accelerometer. There is 7 days of battery life. There's a temperature sensor. There's an LED on there as well with a mute button, and also it's going to be waterproof. So what is the Amazon Halo? Like I said, it's very similar to the Whoop band. It's not going to be your smartwatch. It's going to give you a bunch of actionable data. What is actionable data? I'll get into that in a little bit, but some type of data you can take action with to continue to improve. One of those first things, of course, activity level. With your activity level, with your Amazon Halo, it's kind of based on point system. Like you get a couple points for walking, but you'll get extra points for higher intensity workouts, and you'll also get less points. You get points taken away if you're staying sedentary for the day, which I haven't seen the fitness tracker before, but I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like that, giving you some negative feedback. You need negative feedback as well if you're sitting around a lot. Gonna have a goal set for you for 150 points for your week, and of course you can up that goal or you can break down that goal whichever way you like. Next thing we have is sleep data. That's one of the reasons why I have my Whoop band, is my sleep and recovery data. Sleep is one of the most important things to do while we're working out and while we're trying to recover to get to our next best workout. So it's going to be using a couple different sensors to help out. It's going to be using motion data, temperature data, and of course heart rate data during your sleep to see how you went through your light, your deep sleep, and your REM sleep, and give you a sleep score at the end of the day. So of course actionable data, and it'll also give you a couple different ways to improve your sleep. Next thing we have that's going to be actionable is tone analysis. So like I said, it has a microphone on board to be able to detect your speech patterns. And I'm not exactly sure how this is going to work, to be perfectly honest. This is one of the reasons why I'm really intrigued by this, but it's going to see how your mood fluctuates throughout the day. If you're really that positive person that you say you are, your Amazon Halo is going to let you know maybe you're not so positive. It's going to give you a readout at the end of your day, seeing how your tone was. So it's going to give you actionable data with your tone. So maybe if you were being a little less positive that day, you could be like, man, that argument I had with this person maybe could have went a different way, could have been a little bit more positive about it. It's one of the reasons why I'm a little intrigued by this band. Last one of those actionable datas is body composition. You'll be able to use your smartphone to create a 3D image of yourself, and it's going to use the cloud to process what your body composition, your body fat percentage is. Apparently, Amazon and their privacy stuff, apparently all this stuff gets deleted right afterwards. Some people aren't going to be seeing, of course, your naked torso. They are going to be deleting this data, but this is also one of the things I'm very interested about. They say it's 2 times more accurate than stuff you can get at home and just as accurate as doctor scales. So again, I'm going to be testing that out once the Halo band comes out. And at that point, if you are looking to see that video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that bell button so you won't miss that video when it comes out. Now that you have all this actionable data, you could use the Halo Labs to get a bunch of different trackable challenges and experiments developed by experts to help create healthy habits for the rest of your life. So this is going to help you throughout the rest of your life. So I'm a big fan of this feature. Going into a little bit of those privacy concerns. Yes, it's Amazon. Yes, they get hacked a lot. But on their website, they try to make you feel as comfortable as possible that this data will be deleted and behind a whole entire wall, so it can't be hacked or anything like that. And I know some of you guys out there aren't as intrigued with all of that, but if you have a regular watch at home, it's going to kind of be the same thing. If you have privacy concerns with Amazon, probably wouldn't even bother with this. The prices of these guys, if you want to do the pre-sale, the link will be down below. It's going to be $64.99, and then after that, you're going to get 6 months of free service. Yes, there is going to be a monthly charge for this. It's $3.99 per month, and you'll get 6 months free with the link down below. If you do want to wait for after when it comes out, it will be $99, and you'll still have the $3.99 per month from there. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please smash that like button if you really did. And of course, subscribe to the channel, see a lot of other fitness tech reviews and some healthy recipes as well. But other than that, stay happy, stay healthy, and above all, stay positive. I'll see you guys in the next one.